My name is Sarah Jane Keating and my company is called Freshly 406. It is a company that aims to serve people with busy lifestyles, people who do not enjoy or know how to cook, and those with certain diets or dietary restrictions. All of our meal plans are created by registered dietitians. There is a huge opportunity in the market because many people are trying to be more health conscious. There's also not a lot of competition in Billings, and customers will feel satisfied with their personalized meals that are locally sourced. Our target market is anyone who is trying to eat cleaner. Freshly 406 is a local food delivery service that offers pre-sized ingredients to make delicious meals at home. You simply go online, pick out a plan that fits your dietary needs, and it will be delivered to your door. Interview results with potential customers show that 43% feel that it is most important that it be easy and affordable. 57% of customers say it is moderately important that it be family-friendly, and 43% say that it is important that we accommodate to people's food and dietary needs. Here is the pricing for each meal plan. If you do the math, the single plan comes out to be about $11 per meal, and if you choose to opt for one of the other plans, it just gets cheaper the bigger the plan is. Here's a list of some of the competitors. I truly believe Freshly 406 stands above all the competition because of its personalized meal plans and top quality ingredients. This company is feasible because the biggest area of consumer spending is on food. The target market is only continuing to grow, and although COVID-19 has caused a lot of complications, it has created a perfect opportunity for an at-home meal delivery service because people are staying at home more than they used to. People should also be eating at least 3 meals a day, so our service will help make it easier. Here is a graph showing the cash flow over the next 5 years, as well as the net present value, internal rate of return, and break-even point. Freshly 406 will provide delicious, healthy meals for people in the community. There is not a lot of competition, and the market is only continuing to grow.